Good morning, Monday morning. These are 6 fabrics that are all UV protected fabrics. They're all cotton polys. They've got that protection level in there, and they're pretty, and they're only $13.99 a yard. Oh my gosh, just what could be better on Monday morning? Okay, so let me show them to you. Stretch in both directions. Really lovely, beautiful. Around the pool, around the garden, just wherever. You can hang out, you can look great, and you cannot get burned. Love this. Obviously, I did a top for myself out of this. Isn't that adorable? I love the blues, love the colors. Has stretch in both directions. It is a cotton poly, but mostly cotton. It's mostly cotton, but they got a little poly in there for whatever. Again, $13.99. I love this. This is wild. This is a top. This is a summer dress. This is just fabulous. It's just fabulous. Stretch in both directions. The feel on this, it feels like that brushed, I don't know, something. It's lovely. It's really nice. Love the colors in this. This is the pinks, the grays. It's got some black in there. Stretch in both directions. Cotton poly. Blocks that sun. Jump in the pool. Love it. What I want to do right now. Anyway, there's the clouds. I call this the clouds. It's just so pretty. A stretch. I think it's both, yeah, stretch in both directions. It's cotton poly, $13.99 a yard. Isn't that so pretty? I just love these. Love these. This is actually a terry. This last one is a terry cloth. It has stretch really in one direction, but it's so beautiful. Soft, comfortable. You could just cuddle up. It's a cotton poly. They're mostly cottons though, but boy, this is just really nice. $13.99, you guys. It is a Monday. $13.99 today only. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.